Focus on the eye. You enter in Genjutsu with me. First, we'll start with the basic shape of the eye. Draw a circle for the iris of the eye. Once you have the inner shape, well, draw the almond shape for the outer eye. Inside the iris, draw the shuriken under the circle. These are crucial for capturing the essence of Itachi's eye. To get out of it, we have to go with color. Let's start with the shuriken, then add the base color of the iris. Using a red colored pencil or marker, gently fill in the entire iris area. Make sure to apply a light layer at first. We can always build up the color later.
Musicality.
Now that we have our base color down, let's fill up the colors in the Amaterasu. Once the color fill up, you can also add shading to give it depth and three-dimensional look. And there we out from the genjutsu. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep drawing and stay creative. See you next time.